Yo dudes! Welcome. Today we're going to be cooking eggs Benedict vegan style. Many people don't know what eggs Benedict is. I don't know what it is, but Dave has transformed into Handsome Brett. Handsome Brett's just written a super cool book, What Vegans Eat. It's all kind of for people looking for inspiration or turning vegan. It's brilliant.
Yeah, it's great for Veganuary, great if you just need some more inspiration. Today we're going to be cooking eggs Benedict, and eggs Benedict traditionally it's bacon, it's a poached egg, and then it's like a hollandaise sauce, some work with spinach in there. I've done my own version in there. We're going to create that for you today.
First step we're going to do is we're going to make the hollandaise sauce. Woo! Vegan style.
Yeah, so what we want for the hollandaise sauce, we soak some cashews in here.
Yeah, 60 grams, isn't it?
Yeah, we're going to tip that water away and then pop the cashews in the blender. So we've got some mustard here. We're going to pop the mustard in there.
That's typical flavour of a hollandaise, no?
Yeah.
Basis of it.
We've got some turmeric. That's going to give us a nice yellow kind of hollandaise
look or appearance.
Yeah, beautiful.
Garlic powder.
Garlic powder. Got some salt there as well.
Nice.
Perfect, pop that in there, and then we've just got some lemon juice.
Juice of half a lemon, just a bit of acid.
Happy
Bring
days.
it all together.
And then we're just gonna give that a blend.
So we added in about 5 to 6 tablespoons of water just so it blended super smooth, and we're gonna pour it into a little saucepan here so you can reduce it and just thicken it up to the right texture.
That beautiful little saucepan there. So what we're gonna do next, we're gonna cut the tofu up, just some slices like that.
Okay, cool.
Beautiful, just 4 of them. And then what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our seasoning, pop them in the bowl.
Nice.
There we go. Grab those all in. Pop that in.
Perfect.
And then we'll give these just a bit of a combine. And then yeah, we're just gonna get the tofu, press it in either side, get it nice and coated. Nice. All over. Pop that on a board. Okay, so we've got a pan on there. Just gonna pop a little bit of oil in the pan. Beautiful.
Okay, nice, generous.
Yeah, nice, generous.
Coating of oil. Okay, great. Okay.
Pretty generous on the oil.
Yeah. I see that. There you go.
We'll get that nice and warm. Then we're gonna pop our tofu on and get them sizzling
nice
both sides.
Surface. Okay, so
we'll let that get warm.
For anyone who's obviously not going to cook with oil, or for any no oil, obviously don't add the oil. Get the pan sizzling hot and then pop it in so it sears. Obviously, through adding so much oil, you're going to get more caramelization and more just that crispy crust on the outside. So oil's hot, pan's really hot. We're going to pop in our tofu. Ooh, nice.
Yeah, that's what we like. Fantastic. That's fantastic. Next up, we're going to just halve our tomatoes.
Okay, cool. You just want them just down the middle?
Just down the middle.
Okay,
perfect. Wow. We're going to toast that as well.
Okay, so toast.
And so what we're going to end up with is we're going to end up with wilted spinach, a nice flavoursome tofu, and then we're going to get a roasted tomato on top with some hollandaise sauce. It's going to be absolutely beautiful. So now that we've got these halved, we're just going to pop them face down in the pan like that.
Like that sizzle.
Yeah, nice bit of sizzle on it.
Okay, and just we're only cooking them face down?
Yeah, just cooking them face down.
Wow,
it's going to soften them all the way through.
Okay.
Just cooking them face down. We'll get that nice charring on that side.
Great, and the tofu again, you just leave till it just kind of browns both sides?
Yeah, just brown it both sides, warm it all through. Just going to get the shallots and we're just going to pop them in the pan.
Okay, nice.
They're going to caramelise as well.
Okay, lovely.
And by the time they've gone all caramelised, everything else in there should be cooked and we're absolutely golden then.
Oh, tofu's gone nice and brown. Yeah. Oh, I like that. Tofu's really acting like a sponge, soaking up that flavourful oil. Wow, this is...
You know, it's what a lot of people miss when they go vegan. They miss that kind of flavour, but they don't realise that you can replicate it so easy with the spices, with the seasoning.
This would be like perfect weekend brekkie, anything like that.
Yeah, exactly. Well, in the book, what we've got is we've got everyday meals, and then we've got a few like showstoppers, stealing the show type meals. They're your weekend breakfast, the things that you're going to go that extra distance for.
The tomatoes, you see, they're starting to kind of caramelise on the outside there, and as Brett said, starting to heat their way through.
So what we're going to do now, everything's cooking away in there. Just going to grab our spinach.
That's just a handful of washed baby spinach.
Yeah, exactly. We're going to tear that up, and we're just going to pop that in the pan. Now that's just going to wilt away. Going to reduce in size, and that's going to create the base. That's going to be our layer between the crispy cob and the tofu. So in the time where the spinach is going to wilt, what we're going to do now, we're going to pop a hollandaise sauce on. We're going to get that warm. It's going to thicken up a little bit, but we want our hollandaise sauce to be nice and warm when we pour it over the top. That's it. Thank you very much, my brother.
And obviously through cooking it here, we're going to give it the opportunity to reduce a little. So if your sauce is a little bit runny a bit too, because you want it to kind of go on the top and just kind of drizzle down, not run off it. So you want it, like you'll see here in the photo there, it kind of drizzles down nicely. So it's important that the sauce is thick. So through here you can reduce it, give you the opportunity to boil off and evaporate some of the water just to thicken the sauce.
Yeah, and the other thing is that means that you've not got to be too worried when you're actually doing the blending, because if you're ending up with a few chunks, don't be afraid of adding a little bit more water in and making sure that you blend it to a real smooth, silky consistency like that. You'll appreciate it later.
Okay, now the moment of truth. This smells epic. My mouth is totally salivating. Breath, boom!
I'm gonna pop it up. Happy days,
Okay,
right? Okay, so what we've got the tofu, nice and cooked now. Here's our spinach over here. So we're just gonna take some of this wilted spinach.
Okay, so base of wilted spinach.
Yeah, base of wilted spinach. Beautiful.
Okay, top and bottom, nice.
Then we're gonna take our tofu, pop that on there. The shallots we've got here, fantastic. And then a tomato. There we go. The great thing about the tomato is it gives you that
juiciness.
It gives you the juiciness.
And it kind of goes down and just goes in contrast, total contrast to the crispy bread.
Exactly.
Looks really lovely.
Perfect.
This is very beautiful.
And then all we need to do, take some of this hollandaise sauce. Fantastic, like that.
This is food porn at its beautifulest.
Yeah, it's definitely a weekend meal. It's decadent for sure. Beautiful. Pop some of that on top.
This is great.
That's going to drip
bread.
down onto the bread.
Oh, bread!
It's absolutely fantastic.
Look at the smoke rising. This is a moment. Bread.
That's the one.
Boom! Right, here we go.
Happy
You ready?
days. Yeah.
Jeez, I nearly need to take a moment to appreciate this. It's beautiful.
You get the flavour coming through?
Really lovely.
Yeah.
There's a lovely contrast of textures. Because you've got crispy bread, gooey sauce. Dudes, do check out Brett. His new book's fabulous. There'll be a link down below to get it. He's got a great Instagram page and just all around super cool dude.
Yeah, check us out, EPIVEGAN. EPIVEGAN, all one word.
There you are. Thanks for watching, sending loads of love, and do try this recipe, it's epic. Cheers!